Hello, my name is Javier Barrientos. I am a professional engineer working as a construction manager. What's being built is the new parking garage for Miami International Airport. It's going to be able to accommodate a little over 2,300 parking spaces. It's going to be basically a parking garage for employees and future customers of MIA. What's going on right now is we're working on the first elevated slab of the parking garage. This is the first elevated slab of what's going to be 7 floors, including the roofs. So far, what has been done also is that we were able to take care of all the underground utilities. We were able to finish all of the deep foundations. All of the columns for what's going to be the first ground level are complete. And the team right now is working diligently on reaching what's going to be the next milestone of the project, which is opening the bus lane in early November. This is going to allow for the lower drive to reopen. It's a team's effort that requires a lot of people to be involved for proper coordination of what's going to be the future parking garage. We're on track and we're making great progress, that's for sure.